Welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. Friends, today we are going to discuss about NCERT Maths Class 6 Chapter 6 Integers Exercise 6.3 Question number 1. So friends, without wasting any time, let's get started. So this question says fine. So here there are questions given to us and we have to find their values, okay? But friends, as you can see here, these questions are related to subtraction of integers. So first we need to know some rules which are there for subtraction of integers. So firstly, let's take a question. So let's say 3 minus, and in brackets we have minus 7, okay? So 3 minus 7. Now friends, there are two rules. So first rule over here says, first, this first number over here, we will write it as it is, okay? So we will write 3 as it is. But friends, when we are opening the bracket for minus 7, as you can see, we get 2 minus signs. But now it is not possible to put 2 minus signs. That is why if you are getting minus signs, 2 minus signs all together here, so minus minus makes a plus sign. That means 2 minus signs will make a plus sign, and then we will write the second number without any bracket or sign. So now as you can see over here, this is 3 and the second number is plus 7. So this is a positive 3 and positive 7. So they are having the same signs. So we will add them. So 7 plus 3 is 10 and 10 will be a positive number. So that means answer becomes 10, okay? Now let us move on to see the second rule over here. So let's take minus 5 here in the brackets. Minus, and let's say here we have, let's say 6, okay? So as you can see, minus 5 minus 6. So what we have to do here, we have to open the brackets over here, okay? So as you can see, this is the first number which is minus 5. Now if we will open this brackets, we will open these brackets, we will get minus 5 here. So it is only one number. So this will be unchanged, but we will have to remove the brackets. And now friends, as you can see over here, this is a minus sign given to us and this is 6 in brackets. That means no sign is written to the left of 6 in front of 6. That means 6 is a positive number and positive numbers have plus sign. So in case whenever you get a minus sign and a plus sign together, this is 6, it's a positive, minus plus will make a minus sign. So minus plus will stay to minus only, okay? And now we will write the second number, that is 6. Now we have minus 5 here and we have minus 6. So both of the numbers have the same sign. As you can see, minus minus, that means we will add them. And also you can see here we have to use the addition rule when you have opened the brackets, and here even we have used the addition rule, then only we got 10. So 6 plus 5 is 11 and we will put a minus sign in the addition rule because they have the same sign minus. So that becomes minus 11. Now friends, I hope the rules are clear to you. So we can move on to solving the questions. But friends, first as you can see here, we have written minus minus is plus and minus plus is equal to minus. So just remember this. So when you get two minus signs all together, it is a plus sign. It makes a plus sign, and minus plus makes a minus sign. Now let us solve the A question. So here we have 35 minus 20 in brackets. So 35 minus 20 separated by the brackets. Okay, so now we need to remove these brackets. So first number will be written as it is. But now friends, as you can see, no sign is written in front of 20. That means 20 is a positive number and positive numbers have plus sign in them. So here we have a minus sign and 20 has a plus sign. So as you can see, minus plus makes minus. That means we will write a minus sign here and then we will write the second number, that is 20. Now one number we have is plus 35, or you can say positive 35, and the other number is minus 20, negative 20. So they are having different signs according to the addition rule. So they have different signs. So according to the addition rule, we will find their difference and put the sign of the greater number. So 35 minus 20 is 15, of course, and 35 is greater. So simply we will write 15. That means 15 becomes the answer of the A part. Now friends, let's solve the B question. So the B question says 72 minus 90. Okay. So friends, we need to remove the brackets which are there in 90. So first number will be written down as it is, that is 72. Now before removing the brackets, as you can see, there is no sign in front of 90. That means 90 is a positive number and we have a minus sign here. So again, minus plus is equal to minus. That means here we will write minus 90. Okay, and do not get confused. This is not one subtraction sentence. These two are different numbers. This is a positive 72 and this is a negative 90. Okay, so now we have to use the addition rules to solve this. So they are having different signs. That means we need to find their difference. So quickly let us subtract 72 from 90 because we can't subtract 90 from 72. So 0 will turn to 10. With a 1 borrow, 9 will turn to 8. 10 minus 2, 8, and 8 minus 7 is 1. That is 18. So we will write 18, but we will put the sign of the greater number. So between 72 and 90 is greater and it has a minus sign. That means our answer will become minus 18. Alright, so this is minus 18. Now friends, let us move on to solve the C question. So the C question here says minus 15 in brackets. We have minus 15 minus and then we have minus 18. Okay. So as you can see over here, we need to remove these brackets first of all. So first number, there is no need to change this, just we will remove the bracket from minus 15 and also we don't have to make any change in the sign. But when we have to remove the brackets of the second number, as you can see, there is minus sign in front of 18. That means it's a negative integer and here this is also a minus sign. So minus minus, as you can see, minus minus make up a plus. That means here we will write plus 18. Alright. Now friends, as you can see, this is minus 15 and this is plus 18. Okay. So they are having different signs. So we need to find their difference according to the addition rule. So 18 minus 15 is 3 and 18 is greater than 15. So simply we will write down a 3. That means our answer becomes 3. Friends, now let's move on to the next question. So this is the D question here. And this says minus 20. Alright, and then we have minus and 13 in brackets. Alright. Now friends, over here as you can see, minus 20, we will just remove the bracket from this. And then here we have a minus sign. And 13 is a positive number, so it will become a plus sign. And as we know, minus plus is equal to minus. It remains in minus only. So that is minus 13. Alright, so now we have minus 20 and minus 13. Now we have to use the addition rule to solve them. So they have the same sign. So we will add them. And after adding, we will put a minus sign because they have the minus sign. Both of them have minus sign. So 20 plus 33 is 20 plus 13 is 33. That means we will put 33 here and a minus sign. So this becomes minus 33, which is our answer of the D part. Friends, now let's move on to the next question. So this is the E part over here. So this says 23 right here. Minus, then we have minus 12. Okay. Now we have to solve this. So first number will stay as it is and there is no bracket even, so just 23, and here we are getting minus 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 plus, that means here we will put plus 12. Okay, and again do not get confused, this is not 23 plus 12, this is 23 which is another number and plus 12 is another number, and we have to solve them using the addition rule over here. So as you can see over here, 23 and 12 have the same sign, plus sign, that means we will add them and put plus sign. So 23 plus 12, 3 plus 2, 5, 2 plus 1, 3, that is 35. And we don't need to put any sign because we have to put a plus sign, so 35 is enough. That means answer becomes 35 of the E part. Friends, now let's see the next part. So this is the F question, the F part, and this says minus 32 here, minus 32, and then minus, we have minus 40. Okay, now friends, as you can see over here, first number will be unchanged, and also we will remove the brackets over here. Alright, now we have removed the brackets of the first number, and to remove the brackets of the second number, here we have minus 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 is equal to plus sign. That means we will write a plus sign here, and then the second number, that is 40. This becomes plus 40 and minus 32. Now use the addition rule, so the number are having different signs. That means here we will find the difference of 40 minus 32 becomes 8, and for the sign 40 is greater, so simply we will write 8. That means 8 is the answer of the F part. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon down below so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Also leave a like on this video. Till then, stay home, stay safe, wear a mask, maintain social distancing. Bye-bye.